The Denali D7 Pro lighting bundle makes maximum lighting performance with unmatched control and customization. The CANsmart Accessory Controller gives you complete independent control over the center visibility circuit and the outer white high beam circuit. It truly is two lights in one housing. The bundle is designed to split the left and the right center visibility circuits so that they flash in sync with your turn signals, and the outer 5 emitters on the light are going to be a operation in sync with the high and low beam at any intensity of your choice. The D7 Pro puts out a staggering 11,900 lumens per light, and it's a true standout in its class. The snap-on lenses allow you to customize the color on the fly, interchanging between white, amber, or selective yellow. The center LED strip can be run at a low intensity for the turn signal usage or the high intensity for a wider floodlight beam. The bottom line is that the D7 is the most powerful driving light ever built, and it features a flood beam, spot beam, and hybrid beam with different color options, capable of being swapped on the fly. This and the highly customizable features that integrate seamlessly with the OEM controls on your adventure motorcycle make the D7 our top choice for the adventure motorcyclist. Check it out at Touratech-USA.com.